Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to provide a straightforward step-by-step guide on how to turn on auto exercise on Fitbit Charge 6. So to get started with this quick and a straightforward step-by-step guide, so the first step is to open the exercise app on your Charge 6. So to do this, swipe left or right on your Charge 6 screen to find and tap the exercise app. Then on step 2, you have to select an exercise type. So tap on an exercise type such as walk, run, or bike. Then on step 3, you have to enable the auto detection. So swipe up on the exercise screen to access the settings. Then look for options like walk detect, run detect, or bike detect. Then toggle on or toggle the switch on to enable auto detection for that exercise. Then on step 4, you have to repeat for other exercise. So repeat step 2 and 3 for other exercise you want to enable for auto detection. Then on step 5, you have to sync with the Fitbit app. So open the Fitbit app on your smartphone, then ensure your Charge 6 is connected using Bluetooth. Then the setting will also sync automatically, or you can manually sync by pull down on the dashboard screen. Then once enabled, your Charge 6 will automatically detect and record selected exercise when you engage in them, provided you with detailed start in the Fitbit app. And that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.